Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. What I'm going to do in the video is run through and we're going to have a look at the trade signals I posted into our Discord group last night. And yeah, we had a good win rate last night. Every one of these was profitable. So we'll run through each of these quickly, and then I've got a trade idea for today later on in the video. And by the way, if you haven't joined our Discord group, the link is below. It's free, and there's always a trade idea in the Traders Zone. That's usually a trade a day, or maybe two. There's generally a Forex setup, and I'll give you my opinion on Bitcoin. And of course, there's all this other stuff in here that's of value if you're into trading Forex and crypto, tutorials, etc. Okay, so start off, the Euro Aussie, that one actually reached target one. I decided to close that one, knocked it on the head. I wasn't happy with how it was playing out. I did post a screenshot below in Discord saying that I'll be closing this at better than break even. The Euro dollar short, okay, we'll go through that. I'll go over to the charts and we'll have a look at that. And again, I'm going to go through a trade setup that we can take today later on in the video, so make sure you stick around for that. So the euro dollar, and I'm going to share with you my strategy, why I take these trades. Alright, we'll go down to the euro dollar. I've marked these out, highlighted these in green. As you can see, our indicators are telling us that this is in a bearish trend. So the trade last night was based on this deep pullback, and we shorted this right here. Okay, always looking for a retrace back into resistance. In this case, it's bearish. Lower highs, lower lows. This one here is where it traded back into this range back through here, this resistance level. And I was just looking for the setup to get me in, and we had some momentum to the downside, and that was my decision to take the trade. So that was quite a nice outcome. Next one was the Aussie yen short. Same idea really. I had this deep pullback. I like these because we generally get quite a nice risk reward out of them. So we'll have a quick look at that Aussie yen. Okay, again we can see it's clearly running a downtrend on the 4-hour chart, and what I'm waiting on is a pullback into resistance, and we had that. Very, very simple strategy. Trading with the trend, looking for these deep pullbacks. And of course there's a specific price action setup that I'm looking for in here to give me the go ahead, and I'll get into that in another video. That was our short Aussie yen. Another nice outcome. EU CAD yen short. Over to the charts. CAD yen. By the way, guys, if you're interested in these trade signals, shout me a cup of coffee and a cake every month. That's really all I'm asking. I'm happy to share my success. Head over to my website, the link's below, and if you go over here to the store, this option, $19.95. But if you want to try it for a month, this is billed monthly. You could do that, 6 monthly. These are the two options that are available at the moment. Jump on board, guys. Yeah, so the CAD yen, after that we had the euro was, gave us nothing, blah, 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 closing at break even, or better actually. CAD yen current running positions. So I'm just showing everybody all the trades I'm taking here. Euro pound. Okay, so that was another short. Here it is. We got a bit out of this one, and then it turned around, but we actually got a trade down to target one, well and truly reached. What I encourage my members to do is, when we reach target one, to close 2/3 of your position and move your stop loss so that you're in the money. So again, the strategy was simple. We're in a bearish trend through here, we can see. Okay, we've broken under the cloud. There was the pullback here into the mean, so we took that trade short, pull back into this resistance. Then the last one was NASDAQ short. Again, we're clearly in a downtrend, 4-hour chart. We're looking for a pullback into resistance. That's the daily. Just take it from back here. There's our point of interest. Stop loss above. Nice trade. Very simple strategy. 4-hour chart, pull back into resistance, nice deep pullback, and we take the trade. That's it. It does get a bit more technical. That will be for my VIP members. We've got a whole section, if you have a look over here in the VIP traders zone, level 2 breakouts, smart money. Okay, so we're looking at how institutional traders operate and basically riding their coattails. This is our more or less our level 1 breakout strategy, where we go with a 3-minute, 30-minute chart combo and we follow our trade signals there. But again, click below. This is free to join, and it's absolutely worthwhile. Now we're going to have a look at a trade idea for today. It's this one here. It's the Euro Aussie, and just keeping this one really simple. There's my entry, buy the Euro Aussie. My guys are already in this trade. Okay, Euro Aussie long, and it's a 3-minute, 30-minute strategy. We'll just go back, have a look at the Euro Aussie. Why I'm taking this trade, we're running with the 3-minute, 30-minute strategy here. What this is, let me just get rid of the Forex sessions here for a second. What we wait for is, we want to see at least the daily on our higher time frame. This is a multi-time frame indicator below here. We want to see the daily time frame bullish. If it was daily and 4 hour, that would have been better. But we can see that this is giving us a inverted head and shoulders here if you're into chart patterns. Right, we've got a green cloud break on the 30 minutes. So I'm just going with this, and we've got 3 out of 4 of these bars on the higher time frame green. 3 out of 5, I should say. Green cloud break. Okay, and then what we look for is the breakout signal on the 3-minute chart. So we've got that, and we're long. And in Discord, there's my entry, stop loss, and TP levels. Okay, so with that, guys, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and I look forward to seeing you in Discord.